Alright guys, so welcome back to another episode of Matchbox Cars. Matchbox Cars, guys. So I have my old 2021 Ford Bronco. I got this a while ago. It's one of the old sets, 2020. So it's a 2021 Ford Bronco, guys. I got it over 3 years ago. One of my old cars I have. Pretty nice, not that bad. It's left-handed as well, guys. Got a tire on the back. The front looks nice. I put don't need to put back. So time for the next car. Also subscribe and like. This car called a 2022 Ford Bronco Sport. I just got this car today, so let's open it. This looks so futuristic. Ooh la la. Ooh la la, guys. Got a bike rack on the roof. The front looks kind of uglier. Still looks nice though. I like the wheels and this car. I like the colour as well. The back, the front. I like this car a bit better. This car still looks nice. I like the wheels. Oh la la. Subscribe because subscribe for some more Matchbox cars, guys, and more food reviews. So subscribe and like. Bye.